Oh hey guys, my name's Sterling, and thank you for joining me. On this week's segment, we're going to talk about how to make not safe for work items safe for work. Number 1, letting your coworkers know how you feel about them. Jose, did you complete that ticket?
Yeah.
Good job.
Oh.
Did you complete yours, James?
Nah.
Get a new job. Do something with your life. Need to lock down a meeting? Handcuffs can help with that. Hey, are you ready for that meeting?
Can we push it back to next week? What are you doing?
Oh look, we have time now. Okay, but on the real, where are those keys?
Are you serious? I will kill you.
Another way is to use our pasties to label your food at work. Or if somebody ate your food like Sarah does to me, you can have yourself a little snack.
These actually aren't bad. Tastes like sweet tarts.
Can't reach a shelf because you're too short? One of our major high heels can help you with that. Did it! Need your boss to check an email? A crop can help out with that. Swipe up to bring some of this fun to your work. In the meantime, I'll see you guys next week. Bye.